American Motocross is going to get a little taste of the MX2 world. That coming from Mikkel Haarup, who will be racing for the Triumph team in the American Motocross Series this summer. Now, obviously, this is due to some funny things happening. He aged out of the MX2 class in 2024, so this year he's been doing testing for the team before his 2026 450 racing debut. So, fun for us over here in the stateside, we get to see him come over and race the US Spec TF 250X machine in the American Motocross Series. Now, obviously, this is good for him, good for the team, especially since Jalik Swall is sidelined with injury until who knows what with the Achilles that he's been dealing with since before Supercross. And for us, this is great. And obviously, you'd like to see the Conans or uh, Hurlings or anybody come over, but it's a cool thing to see. This is a well-renowned racer from the MX2 class coming over here and racing. You're going to see what their development side, what their race sides and or race size, what their race speed and competitiveness is compared to the guys that we have over here on the 250 side. I mean, obviously you're going to get Faulkner and everybody else from the Triumph team racing outdoors, and for him to come over, it's cool for him. I mean, obviously doing the development stuff for them is probably okay. Obviously it's very different than what you'd be doing racing wise, and the competitive side of things has got to be kind of boring after a certain point. So for him to be able to come over here, which apparently he has been for a few months down in Georgia, developing, training, whatever you want to call it, to come over here, race the US spec bike against the best that the US has to offer. Who knows? I mean, if he comes over here and blows the doors off people, if he starts getting podiums and wins and is in a championship competitive role, this is going to be big. I mean, who knows? He could be 15th every single race. He could be first every race. We're not going to know until, well, what is it, the 24th? 24th, Paula? Yeah, I think that's when the actual date. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. But I'm excited for this. I mean, obviously, Triumph has shown some really good speed, really good development on the supercross side of things with their first podiums, first wins, and if he can come over here and help them just a little bit, it's going to make that bike even better, make that team even more competitive. Obviously, they're putting a bunch of money into it. They've got what, four riders, so it's not like they're going cheap at all. And with a 450, was it next year? Maybe. Correct me. I don't know, but I think it's next year. They might be racing the 450. So for me, this is cool. One, I like motocross and racing in general. I don't know. I'm excited about this, but that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. How well do you think he's going to do? Are you excited about this? Do you wish it was somebody else? Any of the other big names from MX2? Whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.